In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day, working just 2 hours around your schedule, selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, and you get to keep 100% of the profit because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, so there's no uplines, there's no downlines, there's no middleman. This is high ticket marketing with master resale rights. That's how you earn 100% profit. Plus, the business is fully automated, so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love and you don't have to answer to a boss. So before I show you how this all works, let's just talk about like the two ways to make money. Okay, so there's basically two ways to make money. The first way is being an employee, which means you have a job. Okay, so you're working for other people, you're building other people's businesses, and you're making other people rich. And you're exchanging your time or selling your time for money. So if you have a job, how much are you selling your time for? 10 bucks an hour, 20, 30, 50, 40? Think about it. You're selling your time for money, which is your most valuable asset. Now, the second way to make money is to be an entrepreneur, which is basically the opposite. That's when you're building your own business, you're building your own dreams, you're making yourself rich, and you can work whenever you want to work. Okay. You're building your own empire, you're building your own legacy, and you have automated systems in place so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love, right? See, if you have a job, you're part of someone's automated system, right? Think about it. You are part of someone's automated business. Just look at Amazon, for example. Jeff Bezos, he's at the top, okay? He's a CEO, or he was. I don't know if he still is, but these days, I think he sold a lot of his stocks or whatever. But whatever. Okay, he created Amazon. Okay, and he makes like $150 million a day. Okay, so he created Amazon. He's a CEO of Amazon, right? And then everyone below him, they're part of his automated system. You see? So if you're working a job, you're actually part of someone's automated business. But if you're an entrepreneur, that means you have your own automated business. Okay. So if you're working like 40 plus hours a week and you don't have enough time or money to do the things you want to do, then make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay. So I'm going to break down how this business works. This is an all-in-one business in a box. It's a turnkey business, which means you don't have to create anything. We give you the products, the website, the automations, community training support, everything you need to be successful. You just got to get started. You got to set up your business, plug into our community for training and support. And then basically you're following our 2 hour workday. And this shows you how, like, we'd show you how to build your business, how to promote your business, how to market your business, working just 2 hours around your schedule. Okay. So what do you do? I'm going to show you exactly how it works, right? So basically, every business on the planet, they make money because they sell products, opportunities, or services. Okay. Every single business on the planet. So either you're working for another business, like I said, and you're making them rich, or you can have your own business. You can do both, right? A lot of people, like people join this business not because they're rich, usually. They join this business because they want to be rich or they just want more time. We do have people that are making really good money. They're like doctors, they're bankers. We have people that have money or are making really good money, but they want more time. That's why they join this business, okay? So most people join this business because they have a lack of time or they have a lack of money or both, right? So that's how businesses make money by selling products or opportunities or services. Okay. Like I said, this is a business in a box. So you need a product, right? We give you four different digital products. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. Our top selling product, it sells for 900. These are high demand products. That's what you want to be promoting. Products that are proven to sell. Okay. These are proven to sell. These are products in the e-learning industry, which is $1 billion a day industry. Information, education, training. That's what the products are. And like I said, this is master resale rights, so we earn 100% profit. You don't have to split your profits with anybody else. Look at every other business model on the planet. I don't care what it is. It can be affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, fulfilled by Amazon, offline businesses. Every single business on the planet, they only earn like 10 to 30% profit per sale, okay, on average. And we earn 100% profit. And we have zero monthly fees, okay? All these other business models, besides like affiliate marketing, they have monthly fees. Okay. So step number two, you got to automate your business, right? We give you a pre-built automated system. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to share my screen in a minute. But basically, this automated system's out there working for you 24/7, so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything, right? So what happens is, this is what we're doing. We're just sending people to our link. Okay, we're building our email list. And then once they're inside of our email automations, they can buy from us at any time, right? So if you want to learn more, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. I'm going to send you a free Freedom Formula PDF blueprint. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. And so go there and you can learn more about how this business works and how to get started. Okay. So like I said, once people are inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay, they're watching the videos. We give you 30 emails. These emails are being sent out on autopilot because you got to follow up with your leads. Okay, leads are potential customers. So every time someone puts their email in, they become a lead. Okay, so you got to follow up with your leads, right? So we teach you how to follow up through emails. So you don't have to call people, you don't have to message people. So these emails are sending people to your website, to your sales page. Okay, and every time they go here and they purchase a product, you get paid instantly 100% profit. So you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. Okay. So step number three, you need people to discover your business. Discovery method. People need to discover you, right? Just like if you're watching this video right now, that means you discovered me because I create 3 pieces of content a day. This is one of the pieces of content that I create. Okay. So this content's out there working for me 24/7, right? See how it works? So you create 3 pieces of content a day, and or you can go live. Like if you don't want to go live, just create content. Create content for like an hour, 1 to 2 hours. Like we have a 2 hour workday. So it takes about 30 minutes to create 3 pieces of content and post it to social media. So if you don't want to go live, you can just create like maybe 6 or 9 pieces of content, post content every day. Okay. Content is king. If you can just master creating content, then you'll be rich. Just master that. So how do you master something? Through practice, through training, through mentorship, right? So you're creating content and you're going live. By creating content and going live, you're growing your social media following from scratch. Okay, you don't need a following, you don't need experience, you don't need tech skills. Just by creating content and going live, you're growing your social media from scratch. You're attracting customers to you, attraction marketing. So you don't have to pay for ads, you don't have to bother your friends and family, you don't have to cold message people. Rejection-free business. You're just posting content, you're attracting customers, and you're sending people to your link, you're building your email list. Once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. If you have any questions about this, drop it in the comments. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk for 10 years, and now I help everyday people make money online, hit 6 or 7 figures online without having to work a job. Okay. So let me know where you're watching from in the comment section if you're watching the replay. So that's it. Every day, this is what you do to build your business. Okay. You create content, you go live. You drive traffic, you send people to your link. Then they're in your automations. They go through your sales funnel. They can buy from you at any time. And then you just got to go through a little bit of training because the more you learn, the more you earn. So go through a little bit of training every day. We have a daily training from a millionaire mentor inside of our community. It's like 2 to 5 minutes. You can watch that. Plus, there's a bunch of other recorded trainings inside of the program and inside of the community as well. So if you want to learn more, or if you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Go there and you can learn more. Okay. Now, let me share my screen. I'm going to show you what this business looks like, how it works, how to get started, all that stuff. Right. So let me share my screen real quick. So what you see here is this is how the automations work, okay? This is my capture page. So we give you this sales funnel. So the sales funnel starts with a capture page, okay? It's going to look something like this. There's different varieties you can choose from, but here's a capture page, right? So what happens is someone clicks on my link, they go here, they put their email in, okay? Then they're part of my automations. And then once they put their email in, well, here's another capture page. Once they put their email in, they go here, okay? This is a thank you page. Now this is where people they go here, they watch this video. Now, this video is doing the selling for you. Okay. This is how you make money in your sleep because people can watch this video at any time and they can buy from you at any time. So the video here is doing the selling for you. And there's another video we send out in people's emails. So these two videos are answering like 99% of people's questions for you. So if they have any more questions, they'll just reply to your emails. That's the only way you have to communicate with people through email. You don't have to call people. You don't have to message people. You communicate through your emails. Okay. So that's it. And then they watch this video, and if they're ready to buy, they're going to go to your website or your sales page. Okay. So all of this is already created for you. Now we have 4 different digital products here. Like I said, these products are educational products, e-learning, information, training. It's like the e-learning industry is $1 billion a day industry, and it's projected to be like a $3 billion a day industry by 2027. Okay. So it's a highly profitable industry. So they can go here and they can purchase one of the products. You see? That's how the funnel works. They start here, right? They start at the capture page, and then they end up here and they purchase a product. Okay. And every time they buy from you, you get paid 100% profit directly to you. So this is what your website's going to look like. And you don't have to create any of this. This is already created for you. We've made $29 million in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. We have a community of over 50,000 people for training and support. You become a certified reseller of this program, okay? Certification training. Most opportunities out there, I haven't seen this, okay? Like I've compared this to the other opportunities. We're like the only one that earns 100% profit And we're the only one that has a community of over 50,000 people where there's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. And we're the only one that has a certification program like this that I know of. Okay. So that's what separates us from the competitors or competition. But honestly, there's no competition because there's nothing like this. Nothing that I've never seen anything like this, at least in my experience. Okay. So here's the website. There's testimonials doing the selling for you. You just got to put your picture in, put your little bio in. You can use ChatGPT to help you create a bio. We show you how to set this all up. I'm just showing you what the system looks like. Here's me. I'm hanging out with Michelle. Okay, she's the creator of this business, of this program, and she also does mentoring inside of the community every day and weekly. Okay, I know her personally. We're friends. I've spent time with her. I've gone on cruises with her. I've been at her house. I spent the night at her house for like 7 days with her and her boyfriend and her family. So yeah, so yeah, like we also do live events. That's how I met Michelle because we do live events. So I met Michelle at one of the live events and she actually like her and her boyfriend, they're like, "Hey, do you want to stay with us for a week so you can learn more about, digital marketing and all that stuff?" I'm like, "Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do it." So she's super cool, super nice, super smart, and she just wants you to be successful. So she helps you grow your business, just like the community and me, we all help you grow your business. So you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself, right? And that's that. 4 different digital products. People can go and they pay. There's also payment plans for people, for you or and your customers. Okay. So people can get started with the 100, the 300, or the 600, and they pay $39 for their website. And there's also payment plans. And that's basically what your sales page looks like. That's what your website looks like. And then when someone gets started, they also get all these extra bonuses. Okay. So you can check it out for yourself at sevenfiguremonk.com. You can read through all this information, right? But if you want to get started with this business, you just got to purchase one of the programs, okay? And then pay $39 for your website. And once you purchase a program, you have the resale rights to the program so you can resell it over and over again and earn 100% profit. So you can get started with 100, 300, 600, or 900 plus the $39 for your website fee. If you go with the 900, you get all 4 programs. So you get 4 income streams and you get all the information. And you can always upgrade later, okay? So that's that. And so here's what your automations look like. These are the automations. This is how you make money in your sleep. These 4 pages are out there working for you 24/7. That's how you make money in your sleep. Okay. And then we give you these emails. Like if you go here, the cool thing is you can track everything, right? You can keep track of your business, like how many leads are you getting, how many sales are you getting, all that stuff. So let me go here. It's just taking time to load. It's not loading very fast for whatever reason. So here's your emails, for example. Okay. So you have all these emails that are already created for you. You don't have to create these. They're already created for you, right? Those are your emails. And let's see. And then look at this. So you get like 30 emails. You can also add more emails, right? You're going to learn how to do email marketing, which is a high income skill. You're going to learn how to do this stuff. Okay. And then you can have like a Google spreadsheet and you can keep track of all your stats. I just started to do this recently. So you can keep track of everything. Like how many leads are you getting? How many sales are you getting? What's the conversion rate? What's the lead growth percentage? What's the sales growth percentage? So you can track everything. Okay. Because inside of your system, like you can see how many leads you're getting every single day, right? Like look at yeah, like over here, it shows you like, okay, how many leads are you getting, right? So you can track it by the day. Let's see how many leads did I get today so far. Okay. I got 154 new leads. Wow, that's pretty good. In 2 days, 154 new leads. Actually, that's from last month. Oh yeah, that's last month. Let's check that this month. Okay. So today I got 54 leads today. That's 54 potential buyers in one day. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 54 leads in one day. So you can track everything, right? You're just not posting and guessing. You can track everything. Okay. Which is really cool. So let's go inside of the community real quick. So we got a community of over 50,000 people. And once you get started, you just go here and you just introduce yourself, right? Go here, introduce yourself. If you have questions, you ask there. Now let's go to the wins page. Let's see. Are people making money with this business? Well, yeah, because I'm in here. I go inside of the community every day. So I see people are making money every day. So if they can do it, why not you, right? You should look at this. If she can do it, I can do it. That's what you should think. Okay. So look at Christy. She made her second $900 sale this week. Another $900 sale came through today, showing up right after I jumped off my live, making it my second $900 sale this week. 300 $900 sales last week. Guys, I'm on a roll. Okay. So yeah. That's one right there. Look at this, Wyndham, $1,000 a day, guys. See, you can see the proof that he made a sale. Um, yeah, I guess. Yeah, paid. Yeah. Okay. So look, $1,000 a day, sitting next to the ocean with my best friend, having supper, and boom, 900, right? He's chilling at the ocean, living his best life, and he made 900 bucks. Yes, that's the power of automations. Okay, they are following a blueprint. That's how they're doing this. $900 to start off July 1st. Okay, so if you see this, if she can do it, so can you. You should say, okay, if she can do it, I can do it. You got to tell yourself, you got to believe in yourself and say, I can do this. You can do it. Tell yourself, you can do it. Okay, look at this $900 sale for Kansas. Look at this, just hit 6,000 in sales. Boom for Gina. Another 300 for John. Boom. 900 for Clark. Guys, I made my first sale. He's 17 years old. 17 years old. First sale. 900 bucks. Crazy. I never made $900 in a day when I was 17. Did you? Probably not. 900 to start July for Christina. See, she get paid through her payment processor. Boom. Okay. 1,200 for Keely. 1,200. Boom. Notifications coming in. Are you kidding me? Yes. Okay. So you can see that's one page. There's 30 posts per page. There's like 29,000 pages of wins. It's a lot of wins. Okay. So that's the win section. And then in the classroom, we have more training. Okay. Getting started. Once you get started, go through that. And the calendar, this shows you when we have our live events. Okay. Live events. We have like live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. So that's inside the calendar. And that's about that. Yeah. So that's it. If you want to get started, you purchase one of the products, you pay $39 for your website. That's how you get started. If you have any questions, you can just let me know. Drop it in the comments or just go to my website, go to 7figuremonk.com, go to the link in my bio. Okay. Go to the link in the bio. There's a free PDF, Freedom Blueprint formula. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. It's going to show you how this whole process of digital marketing works, right? And then if you have any questions, you can reply to my emails at any time. You can also unsubscribe at any time. There's no pressure. This is a rejection-free business, you see? Like people are gonna subscribe to your email list, and if they buy, they buy. If they don't, they unsubscribe. You never have to hear the word no. Okay? So make sure you like this video, share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's struggling out there, they have a lack of time or money, they're working like 40 plus hours a week. They just don't have enough time or money to do the things that they want to do. They need a way out, but they just don't know how to make money. Then share this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you see an opportunity, just get started because the faster you get started, the faster you can make money and the faster you can be successful. Like every day you don't learn how to make money online, every day you're costing yourself money. Okay. So you got to have a crystal clear vision, know exactly what you want, and you got to have a system like this, a business, so money can come to you. Then you got to take action every day until you hit your income goals. That's the science of getting rich. Okay. It's a book. You should read it. It's The Science of Getting Rich, right? Okay. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know. Go to 7figuremonk.com and you can learn more about how this business works and how to get started. And once you get started, just see, all you got to do is get started, set up your business, plug into the community, introduce yourself, and then just start posting content, following the 2 hour workday. You post videos every day, 3 pieces of content a day at least, and then you can go live. That's all you got to do. Okay. And I'm here to help you, and so is the community as well. So you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. All right. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.